Iranian fighter jets break sound barrier. Where fighter jets have reportedly broken the sound barrier over the Persian Gulf. An Iranian citizen in the northwestern Iranian city captured the moment when the Iranian homegrown fighter jet Saeqeh breaks the sound barrier on Sunday. Eyewitnesses and local media are reporting that multiple fighter jets were seen flying at high speeds, producing a loud sonic boom that was heard across the region. Iranian authorities have confirmed that the sonic boom was caused by their fighter jets conducting a routine military exercise.